A gold-plated infinity necklace, seemingly a simple piece of jewelry, is quietly yet powerfully carving out a new style statement. Its understated elegance and profound symbolism resonate with a contemporary desire for meaningful accessories that seamlessly integrate into diverse wardrobes and express individual values. This trend moves beyond fleeting fashion fads, tapping into a demand for timeless pieces with personal significance. The core of its appeal lies in the iconic infinity symbol itself, representing the unending, the eternal, and the limitless. It carries connotation of love, commitment, connection, and empowerment. In a fast-paced world often characterized by transience, this symbol offers a grounding sense of permanence. Wearing a gold-plated infinity necklace becomes a subtle yet potent affirmation of these enduring values, adding a layer of personal meaning to one's style. It's not just an adornment, it's a variable sentiment. The gold-plated aspect further enhances its stylistic versatility. Gold, with its inherent warmth and luxurious, has always been associated with sophistication and refinement. The gold plating offers an accessible way to incorporate this timeless metal into everyday wear. It strikes a balance between opulence and practicality, making it suitable for a wide range of occasions, from casual outings to more formal events. The subtle gleam of gold adds a touch of polish without being overtly ostentatious, aligning perfectly with the modern preference for understated luxury. This necklace effortlessly transcends age and gender. Its minimalist design appeals to individuals of all generations, each interpreting its symbolism in their own unique way. Young adults might see it as a representation of boundless potential and future possibilities, while others might cherish it as a reminder of enduring relationships or personal growth. Its simple elegance makes it equally suitable for a man seeking a subtle yet meaningful accessory or a woman looking for a versatile piece to complement her existing jewelry collection. The adaptability of the gold-plated infinity necklace contributes significantly to its burgeoning style statement. It layers beautifully with other necklaces, allowing for personalized next acts that reflect individual tastes. It can be worn alone as a delicate focal point, adding a touch of subtle sophistication to any outfit. Its simplicity allows it to seamlessly integrate it with various styles, from bendo chic to minimalist modern, whether paired with a casual t-shirt and jeans or an elegant evening dress. The infinity necklace adds a touch of understated grace. Furthermore, the rise of conscious consumerism plays a role in its popularity. Gold-plated jewelry offers a more sustainable and depthful alternative to solid gold, making it an attractive option for those who are mindful of their environmental impact and purchasing choices. This aligns with a growing trend of valuing thoughtful and responsible consumption, where the story and values behind a piece are as important as its aesthetic appeal. The accessibility of gold-plated infinity necklace also contributes to their widespread option as a staple. They are readily available at various price points, making them an added luxury for a wider audience. This democratizes the trend, allowing more individuals to incorporate this meaningful and stylish piece into their wardrobes. In conclusion, the gold-plated infinity necklace is more than just a pretty trinket. It's a symbol of enduring values, a versatile accessory and a reflection of contemporary sensibilities. Its understated elegance, profound symbolism, and adaptability have propelled it beyond fleeting trends, establishing it as a monument in a new style statement that values meaning, versatility, and accessibility.